Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And so in today's video, we're going to be restoring these Jordan 11 Cherry Lows. So I've had these for a few years now. I'm not sure when they came out. It was, I don't know, a few years ago, maybe 4 or 5 years ago. Probably like 4. I'm not sure. I'll put it up somewhere here when the release date of these was. But as you can tell with most, Jordan 11s, this corduroy mesh up top kind of yellows if you get like a white color or anything like that. And obviously, you know how icy soles work. They always yellow over time. So if you wear them, even when you don't wear them, they usually yellow. So obviously there's ways to make these icy again, and we're going to do that. So let's get started. So what I have here, I have some Crep Cure cleaning solution. I have 3 brushes here, soft, medium, and hard. We're going to be using it for all the different materials on here. And here I just have some water and some microfiber cloths, some paint brushes when we're going to be applying this Angelus Sol Bright. I heard it works great, so let's give it a try. So yeah, we'll start out with one shoe and go from there. So I'm going to take out this cardboard out of here first. Let's take out the laces, so let's really clean these shoes. Let's try and restore them to how they were in the beginning. So yeah, I had some different laces in these shoes at first. I used to have red laces, but I think it was a little too much red when I did that, so I put back the normal white laces. So yeah, let's get this all out, and we'll work on the laces after this. So let's put this away for now. So here you go. So here's the shoe, how it looks like. The upper's a little yellowed. There's some staining on the patent leather over here, so we'll clean that up real easy. And obviously the insides have some lint and stuff like that. And obviously the bottoms is what needs most of the help. So let's start out with the uppers and move down. Put some cleaning solution in here. So we're going to start out with the soft bristle brush, and let's clean these uppers. Yeah, this stiff bristle brush is working great. I usually clean my shoes and I just use the included brushes that come with these Crep Protect kits and everything like that. But I bought these brushes on Amazon, and yeah, there's a medium, a soft, and a stiff bristle brush, and I can already tell this stiff bristle brush is amazing for the soles and everything. Foam over here so we don't get any of the Sol Bright on it, and then we're going to apply some Sol Bright and put some saran wrap on these shoes. can tell, we have all this bottom masked off now. So now we're gonna apply some Angelus Soul Bright to these shoes, to these soles. We have a nice even coat throughout the sole. So now we're gonna put some saran wrap on these shoes. Well, on this shoe. Outside for a few hours in sunlight and see how they turn out. I'm probably gonna do maybe a couple more applications, so I'm gonna leave it off for like maybe a couple hours right now, and then maybe tomorrow I'll do another 1 or 2 applications, and you guys will see the results in just a second. So here's the finished product. I whitened the sole about 3 times. It's still a little bit yellow. I think I'm gonna build one of those indoor ultraviolet like booths, so I can whiten this, you know, inside, and I have to bring it outside, and it just looks better. But yeah, this is about 3 times, about 2 to 3 hours each time, and that's the result I got. It for sure got a little bit whitened, but obviously you guys can still see it's still yellow. But the rest of the shoe, I think it came out great. If you guys can see, the whole upper is very white. The midsole over here is that came out great. And yeah, even the sole, if you guys can see, it brightened up a lot. So let's take a look at the next shoe. But yeah, I think it looks great. So right now I'm going to just show you guys some B-roll of these shoes all cleaned up. And let me know what you think in the comments below. And yeah, thanks for checking out this video. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe. And thanks a lot, guys.